Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we'll explore innovative fence designs that maximize space and style in small gardens. First, vertical gardens. Transform your fence into a living wall. Attach planters, pots, or trellises to grow flowers, herbs, or even vegetables. It saves space while adding greenery and charm. Next, mirror panels. Incorporating mirrors into your fence creates an illusion of depth, making your small garden feel larger and more open. Third, multifunctional fences. Optimize space with fences that double as storage or seating. Add fold-down tables, shelves, or hooks for tools to keep your garden organized and efficient. Fourth, lighted fences. Install LED strips or solar lights along your fence to enhance the ambience and make your garden usable after dark. And finally, decorative screens. Choose fences with artistic designs to add personality and style to your garden while maintaining privacy. Let's recap. 1. Vertical gardens for added greenery. 2. Mirror panels to create depth. 3. Multifunctional fences for smart storage. 4. Lighted fences for evening charm. 5. Decorative screens for a touch of elegance. Small gardens deserve big ideas. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.